Hello guys, welcome to another professional advanced project in CorelDRAW 2026. In this project you will learn how to complete another necklace jewelry design in CorelDRAW. So guys, in this project you will learn how to use symmetry tricks. Go to file and go to import. Before going to import and starting your project, you must go to object, start first the symmetry and set the line center of the page. Then go to file, import, select the sketch. So zooming, set the sketch vertical line center of the symmetry like this and zoom out. Select again the image and go to apply transparency. Apply transparency into 60-70 percentage. So let's see, make to 60. And now right click, lock the image. So start your project. Take a look. I need to start from this side. Let's see. When you create a circle, here you can see the circle result. I need to start from this part. Zoom in. Select the pen tool. Hold shift 1, 2. Create a curve and close. Hold escape and select the shape, control the line, make little bit back, zoom in. Great. So guys, select the line, go to change to hairline, control the thickness, and now select create a jewel. You can set the size 0.5, 0.5. Hold Alt, turn off the stroke and turn on the fill color. So if you need to change the size, select again, make 1 millimeters, or let's try 0.7, 0.7, 0.7. So go back to edit, select step and repeat, change horizontal to 0 and change vertical 1.5, apply minus 1.2, minus 1, minus 0.7. Nice. Select another and make 10 more copies. 10 more copies. Select all of them. Hold shift, select the line, go to object, fit object to path, select and make apply. Zoom in again. Zoom in. Let's create this spiral. There you can see the spiral. You can draw, you can control by using the direction, and you can create by using the pen tool. One click, another. Here is press escape, control by using the shape tool, control the points to make it smooth, and control this point, control this point, control it by handle move, and select. move a little bit up, select again, select this point, go to view, turn off the snap tool, zoom in, move and move, zoom out. So guys, and now time to create GWL for here. Select just one GWL, press Ctrl D and set here. Go to step and repeat. That's fine. Yeah, step and repeat. Go to edit. Turn off, turn on again. Make 15. Apply, select all of them. Change the color to yellow, double click. Change to orange color. Okay, hold shift, select and go to object. Pet object to path. Turn on again in one click. Apply here. I need more copies. Ctrl Z again, select. I need more copies. So how to do that? Go to edit, step and repeat one more. Make 10 copies more, select, change to hairline. First select these jewels and go back to pet object to path. Just in one click, fit, delete the stroke and zoom in, delete the stroke and zoom out. So guys, select one dot, press Ctrl D, set here, change the size, set right there. Ctrl D once again, Ctrl D, set here, Ctrl D, one here, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Continue your design like this. Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. So after that, and now time to working with this part of design. I think it's a shape of heart or leaf. Select a pen tool and one click and close to start point and select the shape. Control, move here, Control. Select again. Here is. So guys, select these dots, press Ctrl D, set to center, set this one to right there, and select this one, set right there. Ctrl D, set right there. You need just one design, and then you can see the mirror of another side because you're using the symmetry tricks. Ctrl D, set here. Great. Zoom out, and there you can see. Zoom in again, select freehand pick. Select these parts of shapes. Here you can see the movement. Right click, make one group, Ctrl D, click again, rotate, click again, rotate. Here is. So guys, let's create this part of design. Select the pen tool, one click, make curve, one click, make curve, and one click, sit here, press escape to cancel. And now select again the pen tool, go to change the thickness to hairline, and let's see the size of the jewel. Not too much big, not too much small. Press Ctrl E. Just little bit large size. Sit here and go to edit. Step and repeat. Use this command. How I need just 30 copies. Not too much space. 0.9 minus 0.9, not too much space, minus 0.4, minus 0.5. Yes. So select all, hold shift, select the line, go to select fit object to path, and just directly click. So delete the line. Here is. And now select again the pen tool, design or create line of this parts. Here is. Press skip, select. So guys, select again, go to change to hair. Need more copies. Properties, close this one. Let's select the object, close this one, and let's see, close the artistic media, close envelope, extrude, snap, step and repeat. I need a step and repeat, and I need 30 copies. Change a little bit the size smaller, apply, minus 0.3, minus 0.4, apply. Select all, hold shift, and go to fit object to path. Just click apply. Zoom in, select the stroke, delete, zoom out. So guys, here you can see the result, and now you can create or design this part of the flower. So select the circle, select just a circle, create a circle like this, and zoom in, move a little bit down. Don't forget, create small another circle right there. Make orange and hold Alt key, turn off the stroke, and next turn on the enhance, select this stroke, change the size to hairline or 1 pixel, create the top one, select, press Ctrl D, duplicate, select the duplicate, move right there, Ctrl D, one more duplicate, set right there, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Here is. So select again, hold Alt key, change the color to green, hold Alt key, turn off the stroke, select another parts, change the colors, Set here. And select the middle one. Change the color for this one. And select all of them. Make one group. Take a look. Select all of them. Make one group. And create another circle. Hold Ctrl plus Shift. Create another circle right there. Moving. So select this one to set move right there. Okay, guys. Click again. Move the anchor point to center of the circle. And now I need to copy and rotate in one click. How to do this? Go to Window, go to Transform, find the Transform tab, Toolbars, Transform. Let's see, where is the Transform tab? Here is the Transform tab. And there is the copy, angle of rotate. So I need the transform rotate. I need to use the transform rotate. Let's see. Properties, transform, and there is the rotate transform. I need copy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 5 copy. Apply. What about angle? Ctrl Z. 15. Change the anchor point to center. More. 45. 90. 60. Yes. And now zoom out, select, apply different color, and hold Alt, turn off the stroke. Here you can see the result. Okay, guys, don't forget that another parts of design is your homework to create and design. Select these two, turn off the stroke, and zoom in. Let's see. Select the eyedropper, click, and apply on another parts. Let's see. Right click. Everything is okay. Okay, guys. There is the result. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.